This is Tony from DIY All Day, and today we're going to be doing some tile repair. We have two tiles that had fallen off this fireplace, did not break, which is fantastic. So we cleaned up the space a little bit, and we're going to be using some Yerdera construction adhesive. I've used it a lot. It's great. It costs about 10 bucks for a tube, and it just stays put once you put it on. All right, let's get started. All right, let's get started here. We've already cleaned all of our surface here, but we're just going to do another quick wipe down, make sure there's nothing loose. This was originally mortar from the original installation of these tiles. Because it fell off so cleanly, we're going to be able to just put some of this material on one surface of the tile in a zigzag pattern, and we're going to hold that on there for about 30. Take the protective seal off here. Inside of the box is some tape if you want to use it. We're not going to need it on this project. And a tube so you can have a more even bead while you're applying the material. Again, because it came off so cleanly, we're not going to sit there and try to scrape off all of the mud, because what'll happen is it'll be uneven from the rest of them. So we're going to try to just have it at the same level as the other tiles by keeping all the mud already on here. All right, so we're just going to add some material. It's going to take a little bit of a squeeze. This is a thick adhesive, and I always try to keep a rag or some paper towels nearby when I'm working with this stuff, so that way if any of it comes off the sides, we can all right, we're just going to hold that there for about 30 seconds. Keep pressure on it so it gets a nice good stick. All right, now we're going to do the same thing for our second tile. Again, make sure that the mud matches up when you're putting it on here. You can see the missing mud here is on this tile here. So we're just going to, same thing, nice, consistent zigzag pattern. Lay that on our rag there. Put that in place and hold it for another 30 seconds or so. Here's our finished product. You can see that it's as if they never even fell. Thank you so much for joining us today on this tile repair project. If you'd like to see more DIY videos, please subscribe, like, hit that bell. We have a lot more content that we're going to be doing, and we can't wait to share it with you. Thank you so much. Until then, Tony from DIY All Day. Bye-bye.